Hi everyone. Today's video is something a bit different. Usually I create reviews of racing games or showcase fascinating cars in reels, but this time I decided to share something personal, my progress in learning to drift. Consider it my special New Year's gift to myself. This is only my second lesson, and I got to test out a BMW E36. Honestly, I can't get over how amazing this car looks. It's a real design classic. But looks aside, this E36 has been specially prepped for drifting. You'll get an inside look at its unique setup, including the modified front wheels that provide the kind of steering angle you'd see in professional drift competitions. After my first session, I managed to nail down some basic techniques, and now I'm starting to put them to good use. So buckle up and join me as I tackle the art of controlled chaos behind the wheel. Let's hit the asphalt and see how it goes. The car handles incredibly well. Just a slight turn of the wheel and it responds immediately, going exactly where you want. Since the BMW E36 is rear-wheel drive, it takes a bit of effort to initiate a drift. To do this, you need to turn the steering wheel about 45 degrees and press the gas pedal at the same time. Once the car starts to slide, that's when you give it more gas to fully engage the drift. From there, it's all about balance, using the steering wheel to fine-tune the drift angle and the gas pedal to control the speed and trajectory. The biggest mistake you can make, overdoing it on the gas. No matter how much you steer, if you floor it too hard, the car will spin out. Something you'll see me demonstrate at the end of the video. Another common error is turning the wheel too sharply, causing the car to over-rotate before you have a chance to correct it. One more tip, during a drift, many drivers hold the gas pedal steady and assume the rest is just about steering. That's a mistake. You need to modulate the throttle, press and release it rhythmically. This playing with the gas is what gives you precise control over the car and keeps the drift smooth and controlled. It's all about practice, patience, and a whole lot of fun. My favorite exercise is the straight line run. I accelerate in first gear up to 4,000 RPM, then sharply pull the handbrake to initiate a slide. This is when you truly feel the car and the drift. It's an incredible sensation. The most common mistakes during this exercise are not building up enough speed at the start, not pulling the handbrake sharply enough. If either happens, the car won't transition into a drift properly. Another key point, when pulling the handbrake, it's crucial to keep the clutch pedal fully pressed. Only start releasing the clutch once the car is already sliding and you're ready to press the gas to maintain speed and control the drift. Get this sequence right and you'll nail it every time. Drifting is all about timing and precision. One wrong move and the car can spin out or lose momentum. That's why exercises like the handbrake drift are so important. They teach you to feel the car's behavior and react instantly. The rush you get when the car slides perfectly into a controlled drift is unmatched. It's a mix of adrenaline, focus, and pure driving skill. Every turn, every correction, every burst of throttle, it's all about finding that perfect balance between chaos and control. Now, let's have some fun. I've put together a little compilation of my drift fails, moments where things didn't quite go as planned but were still a blast. There were times when I managed to burn some rubber, and even when I knew I wasn't making the corner, I'd try to turn it into a 360 spin and head into another lap. Of course, there were also those hilarious moments where I couldn't even make it into the turn. Sometimes you just have to laugh and keep going. It's all part of the learning process. Despite all the fails, I gained an incredible amount of experience and unforgettable positive emotions from driving. If you love cars as much as I do, I highly recommend trying drifting at least once in your life. Having experience with a manual transmission is definitely a plus, but even with an automatic, you'll get the hang of it after some practice. The most important thing is the desire to learn and enjoy the process. Trust me, it's worth it. And here's a little teaser for the new year. I've treated myself to a professional drift car. That means in the coming year, I'll be bringing you even more exciting content, pushing my skills further and sharing all the thrills along the way. Stay tuned, it's going to be epic. I want to thank each and every one of you who watches my videos. Over this past year, I've come a long way, constantly working to improve my content and video quality. Your support and feedback mean the world to me. Thank you for being a part of this journey. As we step into the new year, I want to wish you all happiness, health, and endless success in everything you do. May your year be filled with thrilling adventures, cherished moments, and of course, lots of horsepower. Let's make the upcoming year even more exciting together. Happy New Year, everyone.